You know, sometimes I even envy you a little. You get to experience moments like these, and you absolutely must record them. Bus to stands. Are all sensors and cameras ready? Perfect. Let's roll. Someone once told me.
I've been saying it for years. Seatbelts and airbags were invented by cowards, and all that safety stuff is just a scam to take your money. If I had been wearing a seatbelt, I'd be sitting there like an idiot in my car right now.
The first airbags in cars were introduced in the US specifically to protect people who refuse to buckle up. The airbag system itself is extremely simple. On impact, a sensor sends a signal to the control module. The module then triggers the inflator charge, which releases gas and fills the airbag. The entire sequence, from impact to a fully inflated airbag, takes less than 1 second, and the airbag itself bursts out and unfolds at about 120 to 180 miles per hour. There's a concrete barrier ahead of you. Go on, unbuckle. Don't chicken out. Come on. You've got an airbag. It'll save you. Wait, where's the airbag? Ah! Modern cars have another sensor. If the seatbelt isn't fastened, the airbag won't deploy. Okay, fine. Let's trick the system. Install a seatbelt clip. A little school math problem. An airbag launches from point A at 120 miles per hour. An expendable flies from point B toward the airbag at 40 miles per hour. Question. At what speed will the expendable be transported to the cemetery? You buckled up. Good boy. But look how the shoulder strap digs into you, rubs, restricts you, annoys you. Just throw it behind your back. Don't torture yourself. Go on, go on. Lots of people do that. Damn, no variety at all. All right, let's see. 1, 2, crack. Guess his skull won't be coming back. Okay, fine. Let's buckle properly. You're gonna drive like some girls do. Move closer to the steering wheel. Closer. You need to have less than 10 inches between you and the steering wheel. Yes, just like that. Wait, hold on. We forgot the lollipop, the sunglasses, and the music. Perfect. Let's crash. Lollipop in the throat, sunglasses in the eyes, ribcage on the spine. Oh, look, he's alive. Oh no, we need to save him, quick. Careful cutting him out. The car has side airbags. There, now he looks like everybody else. So, how are you gonna drive? At arm's length from the steering wheel. Buckled up. And without a lollipop? Did you bring a parachute? No. Well, too bad for you. Hello? Yes. My car was, what? Flying and crashed? What about the driver? Flattened. Damn. But he was wearing a seatbelt, right? And the airbags? All 20 deployed. Strange. What could possibly have gone wrong? Okay, can you at least write that it all happened because of a factory defect? No. You won't sign that? All right then. Write lost control and subscribe.